Welcome back to another video. It is September 9th, 2021. This Thursday, we got the markets were in the green to start the day. It was looking good. And then all of a sudden, it looks like everything's starting to cool off. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, Russell 2000, mostly flat for the day, except Russell 2000 is kind of pushing higher. That's good for AMC because it's like the number one holding in that index, or the top holding, I should say. Looks like gold and silver are rebounding, pushing a little bit higher. The euro and the pound slightly up against the dollar. Dollar's down against the Japanese yen. Bitcoin hovering around 47,000. Now that we looked at the broader market, let's look at AMC and GME. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so let's get right into it. GME, we'll start there. It is currently under 190 per share. It was under 180 at one point. So GME is pushing higher. This is great. Looking good. I did make some awesome day trades. I'll get into that in a second. We'll take a look at AMC. This was also opened up substantially lower than I was expecting, and then also ripping a little bit higher. Currently cooling off. Looks like it was overbought. And we'll see a little bit of consolidation. Hopefully we'll rip higher and reach a new intraday high. So let's get right into the portfolio. Take a look at some things. We'll start with AMC. At the very bottom, I did make $800 on a day trade. This was October 1st, $50 calls. I bought them when AMC was drowning this morning, and then sold them into the rip. And then this was another one, did the same thing, a micro gain. It was only a $150 profit. And then these are my September 17th $50 calls that I've been going over in my previous videos for the last week or so now. Even though AMC is not down right now, or it's not even that green, it's kind of flat. Look at the value of these contracts are down 23%. I'm down almost 1,200 on the day. This is a good example of when you buy a call and your strike price is pretty far out of the money and your expiration is really creeping up. If the stock really doesn't go up or rip, then the value of the contracts can get really damaged. But that's not to say you still can't make money on them. If AMC rips to 49 right now, these contracts will go to like probably $3 or $4 or $5 for sure. So these are a lot riskier. I am trying to unload them, and hopefully AMC continues to rip and we can see that happen. This is another new play that I opened up today. September 17th, $47 strike. Currently up over $1,000 on these. Also trying to sell them. I have my orders placed in already. So like I said, I need AMC to rip towards 48 in order for these to get filled. And then, of course, at the top, I have my short puts, which are, I've also gone in my previous videos. This has a September 17th, also $50 strike. Remember, this is me selling puts. That is a bullish play. And if AMC is above $50 a share by September 17th, this will expire worthless, and I'll collect 100% of the premium that I got paid, which is $8,750. Currently up $875 on the day, up $3,500 since opening the position. And let's see here. Yeah, if AMC is below $50 a share by September 17th, then I get assigned 1,000 shares of AMC at $50 per share, and I get to keep that premium. And then as far as GME, or I should say I'm up $1,800 on the day on AMC. I was down $3,000 at one point this morning. So I'm on a 5K upswing, I guess I could say. But as far as GME, at the very bottom, I made this $1,700 profitable day trade. I bought $180 calls. They were at the money calls at that point, and AMC ripped up a little bit higher, and I sold into the rally. Obviously early, I should have held on to it. I'd be up probably $4,000 or $5,000 at this point. Yeah, I would be up probably 4 or 5K. And then I did have 100 shares. I bought at 182. I'm like kicking myself in the foot for selling them. I sold them at like 195, so I made $300. Even though it says profit loss minus 1380, that's because I bought them in the after hours yesterday and it opened up lower, so it's showing that difference. That'll be adjusted tomorrow, but I made $300 selling the shares. And then my short put that I had for GME was the $200 short puts. I sold these at a loss, as you can see, and then I rolled them into next week. So this is a brand new short put, bullish play. September 17 expiration, 185 strike. So as long as GameStop is above 185 per share by September 17th, this will expire worthless. And my trade price was $9.20, so I got paid $920 in premium. And as long as, like I said, as long as we're above 185, this will expire worthless, and I got to collect the entire premium of $920. If not, I get If GME is below 185 by next Friday, then I get assigned 100 shares at 185 per share while still collecting that premium. So that's that for AMC and GME. Looks like we're having a good day. AMC is doing absolutely awesome and fantastic. I hope this continues. And that's it for now, guys. If you got any value out of this video, I really appreciate it. If you would like, subscribe, share this video with some friends or something, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.